Well, I'd say we have a lot to go at this Monday morning, wouldn't you? Judge Andrew Napolitano is here, and he's going to go at it.
You have to run the one clip of her that I agree with.
No. If Hillary Clinton is elected, we have a constitutional crisis on our hands, don't we, when we find out what's in all these emails?
Okay, the last time the Supreme Court looked at the ability of the president to be a litigant in a case, Clinton versus Jones, it was a civil case. There is language in that opinion saying a civil case, the president has to answer charges while as a sitting president. This was a lawsuit alleging inappropriate sexual contact by Mrs. Jones against then-President Bill Clinton. There's language in that opinion saying, however, if it had been a criminal case, the Constitution would mandate that it be deferred until after the end of the president's term. So there'd be tremendous political fallout to a criminal investigation hanging over the president, but there would be very little legal fallout.
But it would question the legitimacy of her presidency. Not a legitimacy in a constitutional sense, but her legitimacy as the leader of our country capable of doing things.
In the minds of some people, it would. Now, she does have a nuclear option for which there would be tremendous political repercussions, again, not legal one, and you know where I'm going.
I know
Even Richard Nixon didn't do this. She could pardon herself. Again, I don't know how there would be a reaction. I think there'd be extreme reaction on the part of Republicans. Would that be a basis to impeach her? Probably not, but it would be a basis to evade, avoid, and shun her as if she were irrelevant.
So the likelihood of us saying President-elect Tim Kaine is unlikely.
I think that's very slim.
Am I using too extreme language here? I'm saying constitutional crisis, legitimacy of a victory.
I don't think you're using extreme language with respect to constitutional crisis. I wouldn't use legitimacy to be questioned. I mean, if she does get 270 electoral votes, she will be the legitimate president of the United States no matter what the FBI has in their hands. And under Clinton v. Jones, they'd have to hold it. The statute of limitations will be held in abeyance, meaning the ticking of the clock would not help her, and she could be prosecuted for it in 4 years or 8 years, depending upon the voters' will.
It seems to me that Huma Abedin has lawyered up, and she was not traveling with Hillary Clinton over the weekend. That in itself is unusual. Her legal position is tenuous?
Extremely so. Some of the information that has come to us over the weekend is that the FBI believes that she may have lied to the FBI by not telling them about this treasure trove. Now, Donald Trump said 650,000 emails. This is the mother lode. These are not necessarily Hillary's emails. These are emails that Mrs. Abedin forwarded to herself from her State Department email account and from the Clinton email account, because she said it was easier to print them off of her Yahoo account. I can understand that. And the 650,000 also include her husband's emails. This is 10 years of husband and wife email. But some of it is what the FBI was looking for about her husband, and much of it is not.
If any of it is those 33,000 emails that Hillary Clinton said she deleted because they were entirely personal about yoga and wedding plans, if any of that shows up, Hillary could be toast.
Only if it turns out that she deleted truly governmental emails. If it is what she says it is, well, I deleted emails about yoga, so if that shows up there, that's not going to cause her to be toast. But if there is something that would implicate national security, or implicate a criminal conspiracy to keep information from the FBI, well, then there'd be very, very serious problems until that pardon arrives.
Yeah, right. Or from President Obama.
Yes.
He could, is this still the sitting president until January, the middle of January? He could say, you're okay, you're out of here.
Yes, he could. Yes, he could.
All right, Judge, come back, please, soon, okay?
Because
there's a lot to go at. We appreciate it. Thank you, sir.